Meaning of egregious.
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 Egregious. Egregious means outstandingly bad or shocking. It describes something that is extremely conspicuous due to its negative quality. It can be used to describe actions, behavior, or attitudes that are beyond what is acceptable or reasonable. For example, an egregious error in judgment might result in severe consequences, such as a loss of trust or reputation. An egregious violation of the law might result in significant legal penalties or even imprisonment. Overall, egregious indicates a severe level of wrongdoing that is difficult to ignore.